office.
This is a post office.
He is a postman.
He is a postman.
The postman
The postman
works here.
works here.
The postman
The postman
brings us letters.
brings us letters.
This is a bus station.
This is a bus station.
He is a conductor.
He is a conductor.
The conductor
The conductor
works here.
works here.
The conductor
The conductor
gives us tickets.
gives us tickets.
This is a shop.
This is a shop.
He is a shopkeeper.
He is a shopkeeper.
The shopkeeper
The shopkeeper
works here.
works here.
The shopkeeper
The shopkeeper
sells us things.
sells us things.
This is a market.
This is a market.
She is a vendor.
She is a vendor.
The vendor
The vendor
works here.
works here.
The vendor
The vendor
sells us things.
sells us things.
This is a farm.
This is a farm.
He is a farmer.
He is a farmer.
The farmer
The farmer
works here.
works here.
The farmer
The farmer
grows
grows
crops.
crops.
This is a police station.
This is a police station.
He is a policeman.
He is a policeman.
The policeman
The policeman
works here.
works here.
The policeman
The policeman
protects
protects
people.
people.
Very good. Clap, sir.